As you move into your future semesters, your course list might get quite long. There's an easy way to organize your course list by using the Course List Manager. Come to the wheel on the Course List menu, and you have some decisions. You can group by term, or if you want to leave that unchecked, you can come down and just choose the individual courses you want to see. So I'm constantly working in a master shell, so I'm going to leave that visible even though it's outside of a specific term. So that's why I might choose to do it this way. I do not need my sandbox to show right now. It's just cluttering my view. And I no longer need this spring course available. So if I remove those checks and hit submit, my course list has changed. But let's just say I realized, oh, I do need to get back into my sandbox. So I can open up that wheel again, find my sandbox, either select all, so it'll show a lot of items. I don't need all those, so I'm just going to show these 3. Hit submit, and the course has returned. This is a very easy way to stay organized on your face page of Blackboard.